What's up, guys? We're back playing the Hunter Call of the Wild. Big shout out to my friend Levi Schumann. It's in my classroom. Yeah. It's really nice. Comment down below if you guys know what my name is. Levi? Yo, dude, Bobcat already? Bobcat? Bobcat already? Already? Okay, good. Sorry if you guys can hear my mom's music. It's not my fault. So, yeah. There it is, guys. Trying to figure out where to place my camera. That would be perfect, but can't play like that. Don't go, guys. Let's see here. Anything that way? Not perfect, guys, but it will do. Alright. Guys. Will you guys tell me to like and subscribe to my friends, to you guys' friends? My bad. Also, Izzy, if you're watching this, hi. Lamb, if you're watching this, hi. Basically, a shout out to my friends, to my classmates, to my teacher. No, I would not be here talking to you guys if it wasn't for my teacher. I would not be. Yo, what's that? What's that? But yeah, a big shout out to teachers. Not all of us may not like school, but you know what? It is what it is. Sorry guys, it's my hand. I'm trying to get situated. I'm probably not supposed to say this, but filming on my phone. Do not, judge me by that. Haven't got a camera. I don't know how to edit. Yeah. Make sure to tell your friends about my YouTube channel if you guys, if anybody is watching. Birthday's coming up the 17th. If you guys want to see me, I'm going to Columbia, Missouri on some Saturday. I don't know which Saturday, though. So, that'll be fun. If you guys see me, my name's Trevor McMillan. Okay? I'll be in Columbia on a Saturday. I don't know which weekend, but my mom's doing all that. I have red hair. Yeah. right here. So if you guys are watching this, be looking. I'm at a stand. You guys have any comments? Be sure to tell me. Okay. There's a deer. Shoot that deer. Dang it! Dude, I swear, I always miss. Sorry guys, I'm new at this game. If you guys can hear that music, it's my mom. Good music, ain't it? Poppin'. Bustin'. Yo. There's something down there. Right there somewhere. You guys can hear that music, or my bad. We talked about the music. You guys can hear a bell. It's my cat. His name is Riley. I got 3 subscribers. I might change my channel name because it's hard to get to for some of you guys. Me, I know I cannot find it. Yo, there's some deer. I'm gonna shoot that buck. Hold on, guys. I'm sorry. You know, I nailed that deer. And that deer. See? Did not die, guys. Did not die. One shot was kind of far forward. Guys. Kind of scared. Didn't like that shot. This sucks, guys. Scared. I don't like that sign. Yo, Bobcat, Bobcat! Bobcat, guys. Where'd it go? Somewhere over there. Okay, back in the stand, back in the stand. You guys, let's go. Oh, Bobcat. I know it's not, like, very exciting, but for me it is. Animal's an animal, guys. That Bobcat go. I don't like this. It's a sign. Could be that one. No, guys. It's my mom. Yeah, it's my mom. Mom!
What?
I have a question. What weekend are we going to Sky Zone?
Oh, Lord, I'm trying to figure out how to... Hello? Next weekend. Why?
Alright, I'm going to Sky Zone next Saturday.
Who are you talking to? OMG.
She's talking to our boyfriend. Gross. Guys, what the... You know what? I don't like it. And it's gonna die. Okay. This thing been mean to me. If you guys can hear that, that's my mom's boyfriend. Guys, got it that time. Got it that time, guys. Got it? No. What's that? Stupid. Guys, I'm just not doing good. What's going on? Blood! What's this? Guys, I found blood. It's a good sign.
Really?
More blood. Yes, sir. That's the deer shot. Columbia, Missouri. Maybe you guys will see me. Maybe not. So, yeah. Oh, guys, it's a bobcat. Oh! Guys, I got a bobcat. See? 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 There's something dead over here. Could be that bobcat. Not 100% sure about that, though. You know, it could be that thing, whatever that is. Nah, no, nothing dead. Let's see here, Mr. Twist. There is supposedly something dead over here. I don't find anything. Just gonna say it's a bobcat. Hold on. There we go. There's the money. Sorry guys, I'm trying to get my screen. There we go. Alright. This might be a shorter video. Yeah. It's a shorter video. If you guys are bored and want to watch somebody, never mind about that, there's a deer. I almost... That I just hit! And it's down right there, guys. Right there is a dead deer, guys. Would you look at that shot? There's another deer. See if I can hit that. Dude, I can't believe I got that one, though. Dude, what a experience. Right down there by that rock is where she laid. Dude, and a bobcat. I just smoked a bobcat. Can you guys believe it? Yo. I can't believe this right now. I'm speechless, guys. Can only do this while I walk. Yeah. Bro. Yeah. Hope you guys like my videos. Well, my second video. At least. I'm not even gonna look at that. Yeah. Shout out to my dad. Best dad ever. See. I want to say right over there is where she lays. That's what I would like to say. I'm going up here first. Okay, ready guys? I'm about to shoot that. Yeah, that went great. Oh, I fell. Imagine that. Me falling. Now I have like 3 other YouTube video channels. I don't know. If you want to, I'm not going to add to them, but if you want to, you can subscribe to one. It's called Trevor McMillan. I don't know. YouTubing has always been one of my dreams, actually. What's that? A rock. Yeah. Kind of been my dream. What's that? What? I swear I hit that deer. What? Are you guys seeing this right now? Are you seeing this right now? Right now, it's saying I missed it. Wow. Wow. And that's sad. It really is. I'm sorry, guys. I thought I hit it. Truly am sorry. Thought I saw it way down. Yo. I'm gonna shoot that bird. Yes. Okay. Well, I got one of them. If the other one will stay, I can get 2 of them. And I got 2 of them, guys. I just got 2 of them. Yeah. I hope you guys saw that. You guys see those, right? Yeah. 2 dead birds right next to each other, guys. Are you kidding me? That was intense. And they're males. Let's go. Oh boy, cage. Did not see those. Guys, here they lay, right here. that had. Ready? Boosh! Boosh! Ready? Boosh! Alright. Can somebody just tell me what happened? Yo. What was that? Do you guys see that? Hold on. You guys saw that, right? I will go back to those birds. But I'm speechless. What the heck just happened? There was a deer. I ran out in front of me.